Hello everybody, Tony at the Referral Auto Group. I just want to make sure you're aware that we're having another RV buying seminar on October 19th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. here at our facility. Whether you're a repeat offender or a first-time buyer, brand new to the RV industry, we're going to take you from A to Z on buying the correct RV. You will not make a buying mistake if you attend this seminar, no matter where you go. We're going to cover topics like financing, warranties, where are you going to camp, do you have enough sleeping accommodations, different RVs for different types of use. So come on out and see us. We're serving coffee and donuts. I'd be honored to have you as my guest. It's October 19th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. here at our facility at 1444 First Street in Escalon. RSVP by calling me at 209-404-2200, extension 104, or email me directly at tony@referralautogroup.com. Again, I'd be honored to have you. Please come on out. It's non-promotional. You'll feel no pressure, but you're going to leave with a ton of information. It's only 2 hours of your time. We look forward to seeing you.